Hi, I'm Doug Oppenheimer with Prototype IT, and I'm here with Francisco, and we're going to install the vent fan in the KitchenAid Stovetop today. So here we go. We have our parts right here. We have two parts. We have our grill, and we have our filter. So we're going to show you how to do that today. Okay, so you take this filter and you bend this top right here on the top. Where is that? There it is. And you place it in the hole with the right side up on that particular front. So right here. Okay. And then you put the grill cover on top. Not like that. Oh no, it's stuck. So this is why they have that nifty holder in there. There you go. That's why you have a professional electrician and plumber to do it for you. And it lays on top. There's a north and south, and it goes on there. Thank you, Francisco. All right, that concludes the installation of the KitchenAid filter. Thank you.